ఓం నమో భగవతే విరాజేశ్వరాయ. On this auspicious Mahasivaratri Parvadina, during the third Yama Kala, the topic to think about, contemplate on is Sivaya Gurave Namaha. Shiva is Sakshat Guru Surupam. Guru is Shiva, Shiva is Guru. This day being a Guruvara, Dakshinamurti Tattvam. From Dakshinamurti Stotram, third sloka is something which really gives deeper Guru Tattva, which we will take for contemplation for a while. Sloka goes something like this. Yasyaiva spuranam sadatmakam asatkalparthagam bhasate సాక్షాత్ తత్వమసీతి వేదవచస యో బోధయత్యాశ్రితాన్ యస్సాక్షాత్కరణాన్ న భవేత్ పునరావృత్తిః భవాంభోనిధౌ తస్మై శ్రీగురుమూర్తయే నమ ఇదం శ్రీదక్షిణామూర్తయే. తస్మై శ్రీగురుమూర్తయే నమ ఇదం శ్రీదక్షిణామూర్తయే. So Shankaracharya, while giving this sloka, takes up three key aspects of Yasyaiva Spuranam. Spurana is something which happens deep in the consciousness. That Sat Spurana, so based on which Spurana, all this world appears to be real. Yasyaiva Spuranam Sadatmakam Asatkalparthagam bhasate. The Kalparthagam. The Kalpa means whatever is superimposed, imagined over the reality, the transforming, changing world view, it derives its satta, its reality, from the substrate of the consciousness, the spurana. Yasyaiva spuranam sadatmakam asatkalparthagam bhasate. And who is Sakshat Tattvamasi iti. Tattvamasi iti Vedavachasa. By that Vakya of Veda, Yo Bodhayati Asritan. So this Guru, he is not teaching anything other than the Vedavak, the Mahavakya of Tat Tvam Asi, that thou art. That Yasyaiva Spuranam Sadatmakam, by which Spurana, or the spark which is giving the reality to everything, Yasyaiva Spuranam Sadatmakam Asatkalparthagam bhasate సాక్షాత్ తత్వమసీతి వేదవచస యో బోధయతి ఆశ్రితాన్ యత్ సాక్షాత్కరణాత్ by which realization, sakshatkarana, making it appear in front of the eyes, sakshatkaranat nabhavet punaravrittihi, punar avritti, a repetition, a repeated cycle, bhava ambhonidhau, in this temporary, transient, transforming world, bhava ambhonidhau, tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye, tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye, nama idam Shri Dakshinamurtaye. That Dakshinamurti, the Gurumurti, I bow down, nama idam Shri Dakshinamurtaye. This Guru Swarupa of Shiva has to be contemplated sakshatkarana. Realize Shiva as Guru or Guru as Shiva, and that as very self brings to eternality, eternal reality that ever exists. Again, yasyaiva spuranam sadatmakam asatkalparthagam bhasate sakshat tattvamasiti vedavachasa yo bodhayatyasritan यः साक्षात्करणान् न भवेत् पुनरावृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये. श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये. Let the grace of Dakshinamurti on this Mahaparvadina be on one and all, and that Spurana, that teaching of Vedavachas, Veda Vakyam, and that Sakshatkara be nearer to all those who are striving on this path to moksha or Jivan Mukti. May God bless one and all. Om Namo Bhagavate Virajeshwaraya Shivaya Gurave Namaha. Swasti.